cargo tracking platform already agreed to by Kenya, Uganda and Rwanda, and shall use one system which will enable all countries monitor the movement of cargo from the port to the final destination. Joy Doreen Bira, KTN News. The National Counterfeit Agency has nabbed counterfeit goods at the port of Mombasa. The goods, valued at 7 million Kenyan shillings, were composed of mainly electronic goods like computer mice and keyboards, and are said to have been coming from China and were in transit on their way to Uganda. Also found were branded contraband car oil filters. The operation to nab the consignment took place after the agency received complaints from manufacturing companies and intercepted the goods. The owners of the cargo have since recorded statements with the police, and investigations are still ongoing. It remains to be seen when the suspects will be arraigned in court.
The goods is also within the country. In the morning, he has recorded a statement with the office for further questioning, so that we'll see the kind of legal action will be taken against him. We have also done this work jointly with the brand owners, because the intelligence